A little bit of mess, and the radiator's out of the truck, but it's all together, so let's see if we can start it. The radiator's out of the truck because we had a coolant leak that we're gonna try to fix. But I decided before I go 2,000,000 times further, let's see if we can get it started maybe. What do you think? That's some loud beeping. Did it sound good?
I don't know. It was loud.
What do y'all think? First startup. Almost started. Might be having to burn up that coolant that we spilled. Of course it was loud. It's got a glass pack. It's got a 10-inch glass pack. Hopefully we don't start a fire. Dude, that was first try. We did add a little bit of ether fluid. Let's grab some more ether. Not sure that was the right amount. We kind of should do it while we crank. But... Alright. Temp number 2.
It sounds fine, I think.
You know what I should have done with the engine was out was to change the engine mount. You see that vibration?
Yeah.
You can't let it drive too long.
I think it's smoking. Yeah.
That's fine to be smoking if it's just on that exhaust. I know there's oil on that exhaust.
Now it's smoking, yeah. It's smoking.
Hopefully it didn't get too hot.
Something around here.
Just this whole entire exhaust.
Yeah. Well, there was oil in it, wasn't there?
Yeah. We almost had success. Well, first start, what do y'all think? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. We still gotta find a coolant leak, but we're getting somewhere. I'm feeling excited. Hope it starts next time, which it should. Alright, we're going to install the radiator again. Brand new radiator. Let's watch coolant pour all over the place. Make sure this lower hose is on. I actually had to buy a bolt at the hardware store. Alright, let me show you something, explain something real quick. We got this radiator reinstalled, this fan shroud back installed, so there's one 10mm bolt right here that just bolts to the front, and then we've got another bolt on this side that holds the radiator in, and it just slots down here and stays in these little grooves down here. I installed my lower hose with a 5/16. I went ahead and put some clamps on there, hose clamps. And then I went ahead and installed this top hose. And then I put this fan shroud on here. What I did is I just left this fan shroud hanging around this fan. And then I put in the radiator, and then I put in the fan shroud. So now when I put in the fan shroud, there's two 10mm bolts. There were some little clips that came with my radiator. So this bolt has a place for a nut. And I just capped these off. Hopefully this will stay sealed with some plugs from O'Reilly's. Well, now we're ready to add coolant and start this engine. This is the stuff that I already had in the truck. It looks like a decent consistency. It makes 50-50 between coolant and water. This funnel works amazing. It's coolant funnel I got at O'Reilly's. And we'll just be watching for leaks as we do this. About another half gallon of coolant. Close to just less than half a gallon of water. It might be close to being full. Let's double check for leaks. Last time it was literally dripping out leaks because I had forgotten that gasket on that water pump. Let's double check for oil today. Make sure that we still got any oil in there. I think we're a little bit low. It'll bite because it's a little brand new. Yeah, a little bit, changed it quite a bit. Well, just a little bit more just to make sure it's perfectly in between those hatch marks. And we're ready to start this engine. Do engine start for the first real time. Alright, now that y'all been waiting on this super long slow video, do the old battery terminals. Always need some extra oil and extra hammer in here, just in case. That's on there. Alright, double check last. Hands underneath there. No fluids, let's go. Let's get this started. Alright, welcome back to All American Motors. Tonight we are going to be starting the 99 Mazda B2500 with a 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter engine. 5-speed manual transmission. We'll probably be doing some better walk-arounds and some other exploring and cleaning on the truck later. But tonight we're going to go ahead and get the truck started. This will be the first real start. We've got everything back on the engine. We've got the coolant not leaking, the engine oil not leaking. And we're going to go from there. Let's see if this engine will actually start. Put it in neutral.
Alright.
Got our parking brake on.
Yep.
Touch in. Let's go. Y'all be watching for me.
Oh my.
Is that just the muffler rattling?
Yeah. Oh! It's running.
Let that loose. Let that
Oh, windshield cleaner works. That's good. What do you think about it?
Oh, I love it. Oh, you're crazy. Hey! Come on, man. I'm getting it clean.
Alright. Do you want to drive?
Here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get out the Alright. Can I turn the wheel? Hey, make sure no one's behind me. I'm gonna put it in reverse.
Go ahead.
What? You're probably gonna have to get used to the clutch.
We're smoking again.
An exhaust manifold leak here looks like.
Leak?
I think so. Unless it's just fluid burning off. I can't really tell.
Oil coolant. Let me see if I can get it into gear.
Okay.
Does the engine sound rough at all to you?
Not the engine, the muffler's just so loud.
Once it starts running, it's fine. See, like right now, it's fine.
Does it not want to go in gear?
No.
That means the clutch isn't working right, right? We're unsure of why it's not wanting to move on us. But we are smoking here a little. Hopefully that's not bad. I love to do that. Ew.
What?
Okay. Start it in gear. Put it in gear and start it. He's gonna try to start it in gear.
Oh, I tried to roll.
That's bad. Because the clutch should be... Are you pressing the clutch in?
Yeah.
And it tried to roll. Then your clutch system is bad. Stop. Your clutch system's bad. Tell this kid to stop. Josiah, it's not gonna let you shift. It's not gonna let you shift, man.
Alright, I'm not sure that we didn't video it, but I bled the clutch. So how I did that is I took out the master cylinder. I had to take it off of the clutch pedal and had to take it out of the firewall. And that didn't work. I could see the clutch actuating.
and then I bled that bleeder screw on the bottom of the transmission. That made it worse, and then I went and bled the master cylinder again, and now it engages. Let's do it. Let's try it. Oh, the parking brake's on. Of course. I was trying to do it.
Just back straight out.
Watch that foot. You made a little bubble come out. Are we safe to just drive backwards?
I think so. I don't know.
Turn up there.
What does it not want to do? Why was it dying, Joe?
Welcome back to All American Motors. Today we're going to be testing the Mazda B2500. This is a 1999 Mazda 5-speed with the 4-cylinder engine. We're going to be testing it out. It's a little bit vibration. I've got a new transmission mount. We might need to get some new engine mounts. We might need to do a different exhaust. Let's see. It takes a little bit to get started in any gear, so let's see if we can take off. Unless I just need to learn how to use a clutch better.
Yeah.
That could be the case, but I drive a stick every day.
Alright, I hopped in the back seat. It's actually
Alright, let's see if we can
way
take
more
off.
comfortable than I thought. Ooh. It's a little rough there, boys. It's rough around the edges. Look at that. It's doing the transmission wobble.
See how far we can make it. Drive until she blows. Smell for any bad smells. Can anyone else smell? I smell starting to smell
I
something.
smell fuel.
Gas, yeah.
I don't smell fuel. Fuel?
Yeah, I smelled fuel for quite some time, but I think it's the exhaust.
I smell gas.
I think it's the exhaust burning out so fast. It's running pretty good though right now.
Yeah, it's doing alright. Engine rev's a little bit high. First, let's shift to second. Just beating up and down this road like a champ.
Yeah.
There's some loss of power, like maybe because of the exhaust.
I think so. Yeah, that's more Mazda stuff. Yeah. What? What are you doing?
Just like
See, it's just that loud muffler.
Oh. And you know why it's so loud? Because it doesn't point out of the truck.
Oh, really?
It's just stuck underneath there, so it muffles the whole
Right,
thing.
right. Yeah. Pulling out on the highway here.
All the way to the floor, like
Just that you're not gonna have that much power.
why?
Because it's a Mazda. It's a little Ranger. But it's supposed to have more than this. How fast are we going?
30. It's just dumping all that fuel out. That's the problem. The Corvette actually works. If we can make it back up
Oh man. Come on, make it up this stuff. Oh, I made it! Yay!
Hopefully it'll blow up the engine. Might have to have you get out and push on the other hill.
Yeah. Well, just get some speed and just go at it with a little speed. And worst case, we'll have to push, I guess. Alright, we're gonna try to go at it with a little speed. This is a big hill. So hopefully we know this. I don't want to have to push it, so let's go. Come on now. Come on now. It's really sweet right here. Come on. Alright. Made it. Alright guys, welcome back. We are in the Mazda currently right now, and we are gonna go on a test drive.
Let me talk about it. I haven't test drive the Mazda since I put in the rear O2 sensor and wrapped it in aluminum foil. Let's go. Watch me.
Sounds a lot better than it did before, so we'll see.
I need to replace the transmission mount still. Hopefully we'll alleviate some of the shakeage.
Oh, no AC. No AC.
Is it blowing out?
No AC. That might be a bad thing.
Blowing out up here.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, a little. Alright, we just got up to almost highway speed now. It sounds really loud. That's 55 right there.
Yeah, it's working good.
Yeah. This is the first real test drive. I mean, after it working as smooth as it is now. Sounds pretty good. It sounds way more powerful than it is. Oh, it died there.